I'm gonna one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they heard. Young, I don't wanna, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause and serve. Fucking this bitch like a bird. Smack from the back of a purse. Ice, the bird.
Hey y'all, we're packing up the car right now and we're finna get on the freaking road. I look so cute. We finna get on the road, y'all. We got so much stuff in the car. Like, y'all see all of this in the car? A lot of it is groceries and our clothes. Finna get in the car. I'm waiting on them. It's this weird car right here. Who is this? He not even looking at me. But yeah, y'all, I look cute. I'm finna get in the car and I'm gonna see y'all on the road.
Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 60 flip. I just wanna rock.
Where's he? Go, Mickey. I'm so irritated right now because I'm trying to get in the house and everybody wants to go stuff. We're here, y'all. And here's another one. You could just get this one right here. Yep. I think I'm gonna stay upstairs. Well, I don't know. I kind of like down here. I don't know, y'all.
Did you say you want the one by the water?
Yeah, I do want the one by the jacuzzi. Yeah. Yeah.
I've been out late night creeping, shot slide on bitches. Posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching. Mine on missions. Mine on pussy and millions. Mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. Hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all, this is my room. I'm right here by the jacuzzi, but I'm finna start getting ready to take my pictures. I don't think I'm gonna film that. I'm gonna just see y'all later because I got a lot to figure out right now. But I hope y'all, the house is so cute, y'all. Like, my room, I love my room, y'all. It's so cute. Good? But y'all, I keep running out of storage and it's making me mad because I put plans for this trip and I keep running out of storage and it's making me so angry. Because I'm trying to just get the footage, baby.
Yeah, I think I'm pulling my car all the way up.
I want to wait.
And I'm going to tell Chantel pull all the way up. Back and pull all the way up. It's just, the fire pit seems so far away.
They go to fire pit. Over here, it's like off in the
Yeah.
Y'all, this is a fire pit. This is where we gonna make s'mores later. This is like the back area. They got a little swing. You can swing, Mickey? Yeah, I just got done taking pictures and I just checked the time. I didn't even know it was 6 o'clock, y'all. But right now, I'm gonna change into some comfortable clothes. Probably my joggers and a shirt. And y'all, we finna go outside and like check out the jacuzzi and stuff. So, my mom cooking right now too. So we finna go check out this jacuzzi and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Hey y'all, so it's like freaking 1 in the morning and I'm in a jacuzzi by myself because everybody else got tired. So they're taking a little nap and then they're gonna wake back up. But I'm chilling in here. It feels real good in here. Y'all, when I tell y'all I've been fighting with this storage all day trying to freaking film, bro, and it's not even funny. Like, I just bought some storage and Apple's still playing with me. So we're in the jacuzzi. Yeah, I don't want to drop y'all in here. That's why I'm so scared.
She like, oh, we singing happy birthday.
Because, like, why do we need
Just
to
cut the
sing?
shit at this point. Just Nikki playing with the shit out there, toys at the tag.
All this shit.
How much is it?
She ain't look yet. You ain't look at how
It said $82 now.
I said okay.
he said okay.
He sure he want to spend $80 fucking dollars.
Yes, I want to see back in. We all want to see back
You
in.
hear him?
So y'all gonna me.
Mama is
In the drawer. In that drawer.
Anybody else want to work on it?
I mean,
I'm saying
not right
you
now,
just
because I ain't even ate no food. I mean, I ate some food, but I didn't eat food.
I don't want
I mean, there should be some left. I don't know. It might be some left. You tell me you ain't gonna be none left. You know what you told me?
It is. Hey y'all.
Just know there's a whole doorbell in this motherfucker. I just know there's a doorbell in it. Oh, it's a cute room. I wish this was my room. This is a cute ass room. And you can see the hot tub and stuff.
That's why I
we can do
picked
some
it.
videos tomorrow because you got the ring.
Yes.
I run the makeup too to do your eyes. You know, I'm trying to figure out where I want to sleep. Y'all want to sleep in that nice little long one.
But the living room got the bigger TV.
Oh yeah, this one got the bigger TV right here.
The living room with the little blue couch.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
What he watching?
But he could just go in there. He don't care.
This one nice too.
Yeah, it's nice.
Sleep. Everybody go sleep.
But ain't nobody over there.
Ain't nobody.
It's a gate all around, so nobody can see right
I'm
here.
surprised you still up.
I had drunk an energy drink, so I'm not
You
tired.
drink an energy drink.
I wanted to make some noise, but everybody went to sleep, so I guess we do it tomorrow.
Yeah, because we gotta have Keontae light the fireplace and stuff like that. So we can do the s'mores tomorrow. We can make us that. I got a couple of TikToks. I'm gonna be, matter of fact, I was gonna wake up and look crazy on TikTok and be like, my whole day with my family and do like that. Like, start out, show
A
me
day in the
doing my
life
man.
thing.
Yeah, you know how they be like, get ready to be. We gonna come up off these ones. These videos gonna make us rich. These raggedy sons of bitch. I should go over there and poke them in their ear while they fucking sleep.
They said it was getting up when you got here. Good morning, y'all. It's like 8 o'clock out here. Cause back home, they're an hour ahead. So it's technically 7 back home. But your girl's up. We finna get our day started. I'm finna make some coffee because your girl was exhausted last night, y'all. I knocked out. But today is day 2. And it's a full 24 hours. So let's get our day started, honey.
I get the top while I speed up. Swerving through lanes, I am limitless. For the ones that I said free up. I thought the question what freedom is.
Yeah, the coffee machine at work. I'm talking to my vlog.
Okay.
But I'm gonna try this. I hope it's not that.
It's called espresso. It's like Italian, so it's gonna be strong coffee. What they call it? Like it's strong as hell. Talking about
Tastes like coffee. I
It's
I like
strong as
mine.
hell. It's Italian. Y'all should have got that white chocolate. Oh, that shit strong as hell.
We ain't got no
Add some
milk.
hot water to it. Heat it.
We ain't got no milk.
Yeah, we need some milk or something.
Some sugar.
Or something. We need something in this shit. Something gotta give. We need something. I can't even do it. Just try. Taste it. What?
We got some ice.
What if I boil some water and try to make a regular 'cause coffee? Can I use this teapot or something?
I think that's instant coffee ground.
Oh my god, that's horrible.
You taste that?
Put that shit back. I'm not even gonna make it. What you?
Hey guys, y'all, I'm outside on this little hammock thing, and y'all know I'm finna journal. Y'all know that coffee was kind of nasty, so my auntie trying to make like some better coffee. Cause your girl tired, I need it, and I don't want to drink my Monster because I have a Monster, but I know that's gonna give me like energy. I just want some coffee, but I'm finna sit on a hammock and journal. So yeah.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now.
Y'all, it's so pretty here. It's so pretty here, y'all. I can't journal, and it's just because we're here. Like, I don't know why. I just can't journal in places where like I'm too excited and stuff. So I feel like I want to do more exciting stuff than sitting and journaling. But I'm not gonna force myself to journal. So we just gonna put the book up and we gonna try to get our day started. I wait on my coffee to be done so I can give me some energy because your girl ain't got no energy right now. But yeah, I got freaking chocolate on my freaking hoodie because I was eating a s'more last night. I got it on a hoodie and I got it on an Airbnb bed, y'all. So, y'all, I'm back in the house and y'all know this espresso is nasty. One, it's an espresso machine and a coffee machine. The coffee machine is not working and the espresso is just nasty. But I added some pumps of the caramel and it's kind of good, so I'm gonna add some more of this. And then I'm gonna add some white chocolate. And I think I should be good. I think I'm gonna add ice to make it like an ice type of thing. Is this actual white chocolate? It is. Okay, we're gonna pour some of this in. Okay, I actually mess with this. I think it's gonna be good. I'm gonna add some vanilla too, just to make this good. Gonna get some ice. I forgot my cup. Okay, spoon. We're gonna taste test this because please don't disappoint me. I think it's gonna be good, y'all. This is the white chocolate. Okay, that's kind of good. I'm gonna drink this coffee, and I'm gonna see y'all later when I'm getting ready for my day. Hey y'all, it's only like 10 o'clock, but I just feel like a good dress with me for TikTok. Y'all wanna see my fit? Y'all probably know, like if you watch the packing prep, you know. what I brought to wear. So it's just this top from Shein, my cargos from Shein, and then these dunks. But yeah, we're not doing much. It's only 10 o'clock. Everybody just now waking up. I woke up at like 7. Me and my auntie woke up at like 7, but everybody else is just now waking up. We gonna go to the, I think we're gonna go to the store because we need some milk. Because we were supposed to be making breakfast, but we don't have any milk. So we might find a store around here and get some milk. But drippy. Swag, y'all. Get you some. I'm finna eat and take a nap. Everybody else gotta get ready, so I'm finna take a nap while they get ready, and then we're going to the beach and Crumbl cookie. So I'm gonna see y'all later. I had to put my wig back on. I had to put the wig band on because I didn't want my hair messing up. So yeah, I don't know what I'm watching, but I'm finna change this. Look at, they got a TV up there. But this is my favorite room. I look so bright. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna take my nap, and I'm gonna see y'all when I wake up. Y'all, I look crazy now. We finna go to Crumbl cookie. It started raining, y'all. It was just raining. I'm gonna take this off when we leave, and probably the jacket because it look crazy. But it's super cold in here. I took off my shoes. Yeah, I just remember this musically dance. Y'all know that dance, like it's like you like a foot that heavy like great. I like to start that stiff on the rhythm. Yeah. We're still waiting on everybody to get dressed. So yeah. We'll see y'all later when we actually on the way to Crumbl. It's later. Everybody got tired, so I just DoorDashed the Crumbl cookies because y'all over here they got DoorDash. They got Crumbl cookie on DoorDash, so I just ordered our Crumbl cookies. So when they get here, we're gonna do a little review, and I think they're gonna be good. But until then, I'm finna just chill. We plan on going on the bike ride, and we're making s'mores later, so y'all gonna see all that. But we really just chilling in the house, like we're not doing nothing for real. So when our Crumbl cookies get here, we're gonna do a little taste test. Alright, y'all, look, the cookies are here and everybody's kind of loud, so I'm gonna try to give y'all a review if y'all could freaking hear me. But here are the cookies. This is blueberry cheesecake, cookie dough, fruity pebbles, and milk chocolate cookies, something like that. So me and Mickey gonna rate them 1 through 10. Mickey. Try first, this one? Yeah. Okay. Mickey wants to try the cookie dough first. So I'ma break. I'ma bite it.
Bob, bite.
That one good. You good? You don't like that one? Mickey don't like it.
Yeah.
You want fruity pebbles next?
Yeah.
I give that one. You finna go spit it out. I give that one like, it's good. I give that one a 9 out of 10. This one gets a 9 10. Fruity pebbles next.
They're good.
I don't like that one like that.
Yeah.
He liked it. 5. Fruity Pebbles is like a 5. Next, we gonna say the chocolate chip last. Next, the blueberry cheesecake. I'm gonna try blueberry cheesecake.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know how to explain that.
Yeah.
I give blueberry cheesecake a 5. That was my cookie review. Hey y'all, I'm in the car. Vroom, 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 vroom. We in the car going fast, zoom, zoom. Boom, boom, boom. Y'all, I'm just in the car. Them Crumbl cookies, they was good. Not all of them. Did I tell y'all the cookie dough was the best Crumbl cookie for this week? I didn't know that you can only order the cookies that they have for this week, because it was some cookies I wanted to try and I can't even get them. I can't even get them if that's not that week's cookie. That's weird, because y'all really wanted to try the sugar cookie one because I love sugar cookies and I can't even do it because it wasn't on there. But everybody said it's nasty, but I'm a sugar cookie ass bitch, so I think it would have been good. I'll pull up to your man. Finna pull up at your man's house. Y'all, I'm really low-key scared to drive. Am I the only one? Am I too old? Am I too old? Gang, gang. I'm so tired of them people going live talking about gang, 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 gang. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses. That shit is so irritating, like, for real. Be original. I look crazy, y'all, but if you talk about me, I'm gonna block you. Yeah, I'm gonna go in my room and lay down. I ain't gonna lie. I'm eating the rest of my cookies. Okay, now the Fruity Pebble one is kind of tasting good after, you know. And it's kind of not bad. I really think they just slapped some shit together though. Like, it's good, but it's like you made it so obvious. For some reason, I don't like this one. This is the regular milk chocolate. I don't like that. But y'all know, just cookie dough. What? But right now, y'all, I'm finna online shop. So, I'm gonna see y'all later. I'm gonna go on Amazon and online shop, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Good morning, y'all. What's today? I don't know what today is. Today is Friday, I think. I think it's Friday. But today we're checking out of the Airbnb and going home. I don't want to leave. It's really nice, but I am ready to get back home and get my stuff together. 9 a.m. Yeah, I'm sitting here with this Crumbl cookie on my bed. Like, I had to pack my clothes early and go get my stuff that I got in the bathroom downstairs. I just don't want to forget nothing. I'm ready to go home though at the same time. I'm super tired. I'm ready to go home so I can get in my bed. So we're finna go home at like 11. So I'm gonna see you when we on the road.